Welcome back to my YouTube channel Pharma Discussion with Kaji. Myself Dr. Kaji Ashraf Ali. Today I will discuss about few multiple choice questions and their explanatory answer on suppository. Now the first question is, the saponification value of the ideal suppository base is 7 to 10, greater than 250, less than 100, 200 to 245. We know that the saponification value is the number of milligram of potassium hydroxide required to neutralize the free fatty acid and saponify the ester contained in 1 gram of fat. And the correct answer for this question is D, that is 200 to 245. Next question. Which of the following is a hydrophilic suppository base? The options are masopol, coca butter, polyethylene glycol, hydrogenated oil. Here, masopol is an emulsifying base. Coca butter is an oleogenous base. PEG, that is polyethylene glycol, is a hydrophilic base, and hydrogenated oil is an oleogenous base. Therefore, it is clear that polyethylene glycol or macrogol is a hydrophilic suppository base. Next question. You are asked to prepare 6 1 gram suppositories, each containing 200 milligram of zinc oxide BP, whose displacement value is 4.7. How much hard fat BP base would be contained in each suppository? The options are 800 milligram, 857.5 milligram, 957.5 milligram, 900 milligram. In this question, total amount of drug required for 6 suppository is 6 into 200 milligram, that is 1200 milligram, and displacement value is 4.7. 4.7 is the displacement value. We know that displacement value equals to amount of drug divided by the base displaced. That is 4.7 equals to 1200 divided by base displaced. From this equation, if we calculate it, the displaced amount of displaced base for 6 suppository will be 1200 divided by 4.7 equals to 255.319. 255.319. Now the base required equals to for 6 suppositories, base required is 6 into 1 gram, that is 6000 milligram. Now base displaced is 255.319. So 6000 minus 255.319 equals to 5744.681. This quantity of base is required for 6 suppositories. Therefore, amount of base required for each suppository will be this value divided by 6, which is equal to 957.5 milligram. So the correct answer is C. Next question. Suppositories will normally attract a discard date of, the options are 2 weeks, 3 months, again 2 weeks, then 1 month. The correct answer will be B, option B, that is 3 months. Next question. Which of the following statement is true? The options are: a suppository base should melt at just above 40 degrees Celsius. A suppository base should melt at just above 37 degrees Celsius. A suppository base should melt at just below 25 degrees Celsius. A suppository base should melt at just below 37 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is option D. Next question. The most stable polymorph of cocoa butter suppository base is alpha form, beta dash form, and mu form. The correct answer is beta form. Beta form has melting point of 34 to 36 degrees Celsius, and below this melting point it is always exist in stable form. Next question. Higher displacement value of drug indicates its lightness, fluffiness, heaviness, bulkiness. The correct answer is heaviness, because higher the displacement value means higher the amount of drug present in the suppository. Next question. What number of fatty base can be increased by addition of? The options are alcohol, emulsion, glycerin, surfactant. The correct answer is D, that is surfactant. Actually, water number can be defined as the amount of water in gram that can be incorporated in 100 gram of fat. Next question. Which type of a suppository base white spall is? The options are oleaginous, emulsifying base, hydrophilic base, neutral base. The correct answer is emulsifying base. Next question. Which of the following is not a advantage of suppositories over conventional dosage form? The options are: it can be easily prepared and low cost, it is useful to promote evacuations of bowel, it can be given to unconscious patient, it can avoid fast metabolism. Here option B, that is useful to promote evacuation of bowel, it is true. That is this is the advantage. It can be given to unconscious patient, it is also an advantage of suppository. It can avoid fast metabolism through hemorrhoid vein present in the rectum and bypassing the hepatic fast effect. So it is also true. But it can be easily prepared and low cost. This statement is not true. So option A is the correct answer for question number 10. Thank you for watching.